Hello students, welcome back to Learning Point by Sunrise Academy. This is Sabha and you are learning with me on my channel. We are going to learn a new chapter that is from Standard 9, that is Swiss Family Robinson. It is written by John Weiss, and The Swiss Family Robinson is not just a novel, but it is an adventure, and it aims at teaching young people values like self-reliance, how you can be independent, determination to do something, love for your family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. Now, this is a synopsis, means it is not the whole story, but it is just an outline. Proceeding on, this is an interesting story which is about a Swiss family who lived alone on an island where there was nothing to survive and the hardships they had to face due to the shipwreck. And the story starts with six characters, namely William, who is the father, Elizabeth, who is the mother, and they had four children, namely Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz. Fritz is the eldest one and Franz is the youngest one, and the story is narrated by the father, William. The story begins when all of them had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. All the passengers evacuated, means they left and went away, and they all evacuated themselves in the safety boats and left the family behind on the ship. So this family was left alone on the ship till the storm was stopped, and the family, they remained on the ship only till the storm was over, as they had no choice. Now the next morning they saw an island and they started making vessels out of tubs. After making tubs, they filled them with food and ammunitions and all the articles which they could carry safely to the island. There were two dogs, namely Turk and Juno, who also swam beside them. Now the ship's cargo of livestock, guns, powders, carpentry tools, books, and a disassembled pinnace and other provisions also survived with all of them. For the next few days, William, who was the father, he attached the floatable old kegs, that was barrels, and he built a bow around them. He was very tensed and he was continuously working hard so that he could save his family and he could reach the island successfully. Now they made tents and also spread all grass like beds. Now the father, he told Fritz, the elder one, about the gourd, and they made excellent utensils out of it. According to Elizabeth, the house was not at all safe and the place was too dry and hot, so she described a perfect tree to build the house and whose trunks was around 40 feet in diameter. This would also save them from jackals, which are the. Later on, the father, he taught the boys about geometry and how to use triangles to make big objects. All this was taught by the father because they had to make each and everything and they have to survive over there. And the father and the mother, they did not even know till when they had to live over there. So then he calculated angles and measured rods, determining that the lowest branch was around 30 feet off the ground. The boys, they created a ladder by attaching pieces of bamboo and tying them with rope. This was a hanging ladder because the house was above 30 feet in the height on the tree. The father, he made a sledge to transport materials. Elizabeth then announced that the garden was producing healthy plants and corns, melons, pumpkins, and cucumbers were already growing over there. Now, the next day, father and Fritz went in search of waxy plant to make candles because there was no light in the garden, or I can say in the forest, and so they had to make it out. Fritz, he discovered a tree with a rubbery sap which was oozing out. Oozing means जो एक झाड़ पे से बाहर आ रहा था, that was a rubbery type substance, and the father, he told that they could make boots out of it. When the father, he was thinking about a safe place for winter, Fritz, he gave an idea of a cave. Since they did not find a cave, because mostly humans, they cannot live in a cave, the animals, they bring a built cave, or they find a ready-made built cave so that they can live over there. Now they started building a new one. for themselves, and after several days of hard work, they finally made 4 rooms and a fireplace, and their new winter home was all ready. Now the house, it had very less light, and so the father and Jack, he found a bamboo pole which was reaching from floor to the ceiling. Jack, he climbed up and hung a large oil lamp which was rescued from the ship. And now, see, you can see the picture here which is shown in the slide, as it is very old. तो ये एक्चुअली जो स्टोरी है, इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ स्टोरी बट इट इज़ एन एक्चुअली रियल लाइफ बेस्ड स्टोरी है. जैसे आपको फोटो में दिख रहा है, यूजुअली जो भी लोग जंगल में रहते हैं या फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं वो इसी टाइप से सर्वाइव करते हैं. दे मेक होम्स लाइक दिस, एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. Now, one day, what happened? They found that all their fields were destroyed, which were growing plants and everything. They were totally destroyed, and one of the house was also destroyed. They found huge footprints nearby everywhere, and then father came and father, he saw the footprints, and then he recognized that they belonged to an elephant herd, a group of elephant. उसको बोलते हैं herd. Now, what the father did, he asked the family to move to a safer place and build a new house. And next morning, they started building a new house, which was between 4 strong trees. तो उन्होंने ऐसी जगह चुनी जो 4 trees थी, और वहाँ पे वो 4 trees जो थे वो पूरे मिला के एक स्क्वायर टाइप फॉर्म कर रहे थे, जिसके बीच में एक बहुत ही अच्छा फाउंडेशन था घर को, और उस वो प्लेस जो थी वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा सेफ थी. वहाँ पे एनिमल्स जल्दी से आ नहीं सकते थे. एंड दे फाइनली बिल्ट. You all can see how the houses are built in the forest using woods, bamboos, and everything, because nothing like cement and or concrete and all are available in the forest. So whatever people used to make, they used to make from the woods which are available in the forest. And this is the best thing out of what we can make a house. Now here I have shown a comparison between the boys, or whatever I had to tell about the boys, that they were almost 10 years they had passed, and so I have shown this comparison. This is not the original picture of the boys, but yes, I had to show the comparison that 10 before 10 years how they were when they landed on the island, and after 10 years now the boys, they were young men, and now the parents, they were very proud of them, and they started calling the island as New Switzerland. And why they had called this? Because there had been many adventures which occurred over the years over this island, and the days they had passed with their own children. Fritz had knocked down an albatross. Albatross is a large, long-winged seabird, and which was going to attack him. He found a rag tied to the bird's leg. Now there was a message written on the rag that an Englishwoman had been stranded on a smoking rock. Now this smoking rock referred to a volcano which was told to him by his father, and the message was very old, and so his father suggested that the bird might have come from a long way, that is hundreds of miles away over there. And as there was no volcanoes in the vicinity, means the nearby area, there was no volcano at all. Fritz was determined to help the unknown, and so he wrote his own note on the rag, and he tied it again. So he retied it to the albatross's leg, and he let it go away. Now the note said, "Do not despair, help is near." So he rescued the woman, and the woman's name was Jenny Montrose, and she got used to living with the family. Means she was very free, very happy living with that family. One day Fritz and his father saw a ship which had laid anchor, an escarpment had been also set up. After checking everything, the father, he announced themselves, and both of them went to meet the captain. They told everything about them and the girl. How did they come there and what had happened? Now, to everyone's surprise, what happened? It was Jenny's father who believed that his daughter was alive after 3 years. and there was a burst of celebration, and everyone headed towards New Switzerland, which was the name given by the Swiss family. And all of them were amazed to see their health and prosperity. Obviously, the father he understood that it was an important time to take a decision after staying and about staying on the island, whether they should stay on the island or they should return back to that to their own country. What they should do, that was the time which was now. And he realized that both the husband and his wife, they wanted to stay there. They did not wanted to leave the island. But Jenny, she asked them if anyone wanted to return before leaving. Now Fritz was the first one to respond, and he said yes, we will go. Us means both of them were going to go. Now because he wanted to then Ernest and Jack, both the brothers, they decided to stay back on the island with the parents. Franz, he was the youngest one, and he wanted to go with Fritz, and he decided to go because he wanted to receive an academic education. Now, before leaving, Fritz told his parents that he loved Jenny and he wanted to marry her. Now, father and the mother did not have any objection on that, and the father he had kept a record of all the adventures of past 10 years and they had on the island through so many years. And then he handed the journal to the captain to be published, and then the ship I hope you all might have liked the story very much and understood the story, because I tried to explain everything in a very very simple language. If you like this video, give it a like, and do not forget to subscribe the channel if you are new on the channel. Thank you for watching.